How you guys doing? Today is another day and I'm out here with the F30 again. Just got a charge pipe for it. I was looking online on YouTube and there's no one out there that has a video of how to put a charge pipe on an n20 328i. So I'm gonna basically show you guys the process of putting it on. It shouldn't be that hard. It's not as hard as on the 335s. So let's do this. You're gonna have to remove this because the pipe is this one right here. There's this map sensor. It has two screws. I'm gonna tell you what size they are. You just take it off. There's that vacuum line down there. Then this clip, this retaining clip. So you take that off, take all these things off, pop it out, and then you go underneath, take the belly pan off, and then start taking stuff off. I'm gonna show you as I go forward and start taking stuff off. But first, let's remove the airbox. You just take this hood release cable. That shit's hot. Take it off. There's a grommet here. There's a grommet here. That was already off. There's a grommet here. That wasn't even on. I'm gonna ask my friend to hold my phone. And then you just remove the airbox. But first, take off the mass airflow. Just disconnect it. Push on it and disconnect it, and then there's that tube right there. You have to get a flathead, take it off, and that should let your airbox come out. Alright, so I got this top part off. You just disconnect the map sensor like I said. This is a plug, you plug it in, unplug it. This clip, just get a screwdriver and get it under here and pull up. Don't pull up all the way, you don't want that clip to come out all the way. And then after you do that, there's this vacuum line here under it. You just have to like press on it like really hard and pull out, and it should come right out. Then after you do that, that's everything you have to do for up there. And you go to the bottom one, you follow the hose, and it should be to the intercooler piping. To the intercooler, to the side of the intercooler. And it should be the same deal. Clip, take it out, boom, it should be ready to go. So let's do that, and I'll show you from underneath. So once you're underneath the car, you don't have to take the whole belly pan off, just the front of it, and then pull it down. Get this little clip, get it off, and then get somebody from up there to pull. Can you pull it out? And it comes right off, and then you just have to kind of wiggle it out from there. You just wiggle it. Be careful with everything out here. Don't break anything. And this should be the pipe. This is what the pipe looks like. I'm gonna see if I have to reuse any of these, which I probably will have to. So let's see. After you remove these two little bolts, they are T20s. They're T25s, but a T20 will work. You just have to be careful. Then you take it and put it onto the new pipe. And you bolt it down with the two bolts that they provide you with. Just put it there. I forgot what way it goes. Oops. So everything is done. I put everything back together, but it's the easiest thing. Just reverse everything you did. Put that one clip back on there. Before you put this top part, put the bottom part first with the rubber piece, and then put the two clamps on it. Once you have it in there, go under it and get it in place, this and that. Put the clip. Once you put the clip, and get this one in there, put it in the rubber boot or coupler, and then tighten it. It shouldn't be that hard. You're probably gonna find out how to do it. It's not hard at all. And then once you put the sensor from the old charge pipe back on this one, the map sensor, you plug it in, and then don't forget the vacuum line that's underneath. Put the clip. Connect your mass airflow sensor, put your box back in, and you're set.